Hello, in this video I will demonstrate you the flow for our module draw.io. So with the help of this module, what you can do is in your Odoo, in any of the HTML field, you can fetch the draw.io diagram or the flowchart that you have created over there. So I will demonstrate you like how you can edit and create the flowcharts over here in Odoo with the help of draw.io. So first, by going in invoicing, I will open one invoice. Here you can see the HTML field for the terms and conditions. So what you need to do is you need to enter one command, that is /draw.io, and then click on enter. So you will be redirected to the draw.io screen where you can draw your flowchart for the terms and conditions. So now to demonstrate you, I will draw one flowchart using some of the basic shapes. Now I will connect all these using the connectors. Okay, now I will connect this as well. So after connecting all the shapes using connector, I will add the text like this is the start, like from where your flow will be start for the terms and condition. Then first what you will do is you will create an invoice. Then you need to load the default terms and conditions which you have set in your Odoo database settings. Now after loading it will check the condition like do you need to edit the terms or not. When you will edit the terms and when you won't. So if the amount of the invoice, that is the total amount, is less than $500, so no need to edit the terms. and if the total amount is greater than $500, then you need to edit the terms and condition for that customer. So here it will go to this like update terms and conditions, then it will be confirm invoice, and I will add one more step over here, which will be of print the invoice PDF. And at last the flow will end. So I have created this flow for the terms and conditions added in the invoice. Like if you create an invoice and then first you will load the default terms and conditions which you have set, then there will be two cases. Like if the total amount is greater than $500, then you will update the terms and conditions and then you will confirm the invoice for that specific customer. If your total amount is less than $500, so you will directly confirm the invoice using this default terms and conditions. Then you will print the invoice PDF, and at last your flow for the terms and conditions will end. So this is one specific flow that I have created. As soon as you save from here, you can see the same flow is copied over here in the HTML field in your invoice. Again, if you click and go back to your draw.io where you have created the flow, if you change something, like if you edit here from 500 to 600, and here also you edit the amount that is 600, then again if you save, then here you can see the amount will be edited and the flowchart will be edited accordingly. If you again go back and delete some of the elements, for example, I'm deleting those elements from here. I'm just keeping these three elements and then I'm saving. So rest of all the shapes or all the tools will be deleted, and whatever is present over there in your draw.io file will be visible over here. So this is the functionality of our module. You can just create some simple flows for your different modules in Odoo using draw.io, and the same flowchart will be visible to you in the HTML fields over here in Odoo. Thank you.